Hi, Ella here. I was going to make a video of me playing Resident Evil 5, and then I got to the point where I was almost going to meet Wesker. And then I died in a horrible way. So instead of making a video of me playing Resident Evil 5, I will make a video of me watching cutscenes of Resident Evil 5, which is a lot better. Believe me. But first things first. Here is something again. Here you go. It's a bit bad quality, I know. That's because my camera sucks, and my computer kind of sucks. Look. There he goes. Oh god, I'm going nuts. It's a singing song! Well, there you go. A chainsaw. Damn it. Just a second. Okay, here we go. I'm sorry, I'm not talking about, I know.
The preparations are almost complete.
That's excellent.
Then we can leave.
Not to be confused with Yo Ella, which would be me. I'm a lot cooler than she is, and I wish I was her. But I'm not. Because this is a video game and I'm real.
You know, I was surprised Las Plagas was such a success.
Yeah, me too.
When you first arrived, I had my doubts.
Me too.
And now Ouroboros is complete.
Yes.
Your position at Tricell is secure.
Hooray.
Oh, I have my eyes set on something much bigger.
You are not worthy of its power.
You'll be needing a partner, right?
And that would be me.
Someone suitable to join you in your new
I'm very suitable.
I believe I've proven I'm worthy.
I have nicer boobs too. Whoo!
Perhaps you have.
Perhaps. Hello, Wesker. I'm fangirling. You tell.
It appears your old friend,
Chris Redfield has arrived. Oh.
Do I sense concern?
The plan is in its final stages. I will not tolerate delays.
Bitch. Titty shot. Haha. Goodbye, Excella. Ew. Oh, hi. That right is now mine.
I believe I should thank you, Spencer.
Oh, Wesker, I wish you were real. Yes, that actually happens when I'm playing on my own, too. I go all... I think I should go. I've said nothing of importance, but that's okay. Fangirling makes the world go round or something. I'm gonna do something productive. Until next time.